I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. I am going to be talking to you today about the Offer and Compromise program. By the way, I'm an expert. There's a lot of people blabbing about offers. They know this, they know that. I work the program at IRS. I used to accept them and deny them. To be honest, there's few people that you're going to see on YouTube that has ever done that. You're going to see a lot of fancy ad, a lot of fancy books, a lot of fancy suits proclaiming this and that. They did this and that. I work the program. I actually was a teaching instructor for the program. So, in fact, if you're going to have an offer and you want it to go through, you may want to talk to the person actually who used to approve them. Anyway, let me tell you what can go wrong about your offer and compromise and why getting somebody who isn't qualified is just going to make this a disaster for you. You need to understand this. When you submit an offer and compromise, you extend the IRS statute a year plus the time it's in offer status. Most people don't tell you that because they don't want to tell you that because they may not pick up a fee. If you've called a firm and the people are very cheesy and they're salespeople, you've called a big firm, you've responded to an ad, and you're speaking to a chattery a salesperson. They don't know crap about the offer. Matter of fact, 90% of the stuff you read are garbage on YouTube because the price point for offers are so good and people are so vulnerable to go ahead and try to settle their debt. And the people on the other end, they're just gauging you for a fee. So not only do you extend the offer and compromise statute, you give IRS kind of a paper trail and insight into your case. So if they want to collect it, you're really allowing them to dig deep. The offer and compromise is a very dig deep program because it's a contract between you and the government, and actually the public gets noticed about any offer accepted. So they've got to be careful, and they're going to dig everything out that they can. So if you, in fact, want to do an offer and you think there may be questionable skeletons or stuff like that, you better reach out to someone who knows what they're doing, because you can wind up a little more in a mess. I've seen so many of these. I get the call on this telephone. Anyway, call me if you need me. I am a former agent. Peter Salinger in my office has worked over 3,000 of these. We are lovingly and trying to humbly national experts. Anyway, call me. Give me a subscription no matter what. I work hard at least giving you the information you need. If you're going to file the offer, all your tax returns need to be filed, just so you go ahead and know that. Thank you so much.